Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is January 29th. Very exciting day at Allendale. We had a big event yesterday kicking off our Outlook conference for 2014. It was a very successful event. Drew Lerner had talked about weather and did a fantastic job. A lot of questions were answered, and we had a lot of interaction between everybody, and very, very big event. Today, it's not too late, actually, to still join in. We get into corn and wheat today at 2 o'clock. That starts. And then also, we jump in tomorrow. We talk about beans and livestock. So this is just a good way to really get prepared here for the coming year. So it was a great event, a lot of attendees. Certainly, as I mentioned, you still have time. If you need to or want to get in and view this stuff, give us a call. We'll take care of you. As far as the markets today, relatively quiet. We do have the grains down a little bit. Corn down 1 3/4. You got beans that are down about 2 1/4, with wheat down 2 1/2. So working a little bit lower, but extremely light value. No major driving factors today. I think what we've seen corn find some strength with lack of farmers selling. Well, we're starting to see that pick up here at these levels. We're up against some good resistance now for corn, and we'll see if we end up coming back into this lower end of the range. Now, we're range bound. There's not a lot of reasons out there to really see corn take off and strengthen, and there's also not a lot of reasons really to see it pull back pretty hard either. So keep that in mind here as we go forth. As far as beans, we've seen some weakness in beans over the last few weeks. Guys nervous to see if China will be canceling any tenders and maybe shifting them to South America. No signs of that yet. Those are strictly rumors. But when we look at the conditions in Argentina, we rallied off of South American weather. Now we gave that back. Now, those conditions are improving. They are getting some rains. Looks like over the next few weeks they're going to have rains as well. There's areas of Brazil now that they're watching with some rain potential here in the 6 to 10 day forecast. But overall, I think this talk of South American weather is starting to hold less value as we continue along here. But the big thing to watch in beans is, are we going to get some cancellations or are we not? As of right now, we have not seen that. Continue watching these 8 a.m. sales to see if there has been any changes made. But as of right now, not a lot going on. As far as livestock, we have seen a lot going on. In the cattle, we saw a very strong run last week. We're giving back a lot of that gain here this week. We've got futures sitting about 65 cents lower this morning. Box beef coming in yesterday afternoon. Choice down 224. Select down 339. So after we've seen just this incredible run for box beef, we're starting to give that back. And that's influencing prices. We've also heard cash cattle prices coming in at 146, about $2 lower than last week. So we've got some emotion that's coming out of the market right now as far as cattle. Hogs, a little different story. We're up 40 cents. We've seen that kind of turn here for cash. Cutouts were up 32 cents yesterday, and we continue to hear talks of PED and those issues. That's going to affect these back months. This is something that we're going to need to face, and it's a reality that is certainly out there, and it's a problem. So we are going to probably have to make some adjustments here as far as price in the coming future. But we're still looking at this cash value, and we need to see some kind of strength out of that in order to really get these hogs moving in the upward direction. As far as some of the economic fronts, you've been hearing a lot out there. Turkey raising interest rates yesterday. That helped out some of our equity markets yesterday. But we're giving back a lot of that today. We've got stock market right now. Stock futures down about 81. You got gold up $12, silver up 20 cents, and the dollar finding a little support this morning, about 22 cents higher. So as we started things off with our conference, it's still there for you. Today will be a very exciting day starting at 2 o'clock. We're going to be releasing our outlooks for corn as well as wheat. So get on board. Give us a call. We're here to help you. So you can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.